Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pop this trim off the side of the driver's seat. I'm going to use trim tools. You can buy these from 1aauto.com. I'm going to start with the smaller one. Get in here, get it sort of popped out. It's in here with quite a bit of force, so once I've got that opened up, I'm going to use the bigger one. Pop it out. There's a couple clips along the top. So it pops out at the back first and pops out towards the front. And there's a pin in the front, so try to pop it out. And then it's going to slide out. So the connector for the lumbar switch is underneath the seat. So to get this switch out, we're going to disconnect it from underneath the seat first. So it's very hard to see where the connector is. It is a white connector and it's kind of buried under the seat. So you just kind of follow the harness up, and so I can kind of move the harness a little bit. So I'm just going to find the connector and then move it to where I can get to it and push the lock in and undo it. I'm going to guide the harness out with the connector. It's underneath this other harness, so I might have to lift it up a little bit and just kind of slide it underneath. Try not to pull on the wires. I'm going to give this harness a little bit of give, and I can slide this underneath. There we go. I'm going to pop the switch out of the trim. So I'm going to use our plastic prying tool. There's 2 pins on either side. Lift it up. Push it in with my fingers. Do the same here. Pop it out. If that breaks, it's not really a big deal. It will still hold. So the switch is keyed, so it can only be plugged in to the opening one way. So the 2 wide ones go towards the bottom, and these with the little key in the middle goes towards the top. So we'll pop it in place. It's locked in there nice and tight. And we'll feed it back in. Under the harness, like it was. I'll go underneath and find the connector. It's basically impossible to see. You have to do it by feel, and you might even have to do it one-handed, like I'm doing here. Just work at it till you get it, and once it's clipped in, it will snap, and you'll be all set. Reinstall the switch panel. Put this tab in the front. Slide it in, push this back in, it will clip into place. The job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.